This is Stock Trading 101, Mastering the Fundamentals for Beginners. Hey there, future traders. Welcome to our channel, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of stock trading. Today, we've got a special treat for all the beginners out there. We'll be unraveling the fundamental secrets to becoming a successful stock trader, and trust me, it's going to be both informative and entertaining. So, buckle up and let's get started. Part 1. What is stock trading? Okay, let's kick things off by answering the age-old question, what is stock trading? Imagine you're a part owner of a fantastic company, and you can buy or sell shares of that company on the stock market. Well, that's what stock trading is all about. It's like buying and selling slices of a company's pie. Part 2, Understanding stocks and shares. These babies are what stock traders deal with every day, stocks. Each stock represents a share in a company. As a shareholder, you get a piece of the company's profits and have a say in certain decisions. But wait, there's more. There are different types of stocks, common and preferred. We'll save that for another video, so don't forget to subscribe. Part 3, The Market and Exchanges. Where does all the magic happen? It's the stock market. This is where buyers and sellers meet to exchange stocks. There are major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the NASDAQ, and each one has its unique vibe. Think of it as the ultimate marketplace for stocks. Part 4, Bulls and Bears, Market Sentiment. Welcome to the Wall Street Zoo. In the stock market, we have bulls and bears. Bulls are optimistic, they believe prices will rise. On the other hand, we have the bears, pessimistic, thinking prices will fall. Understanding market sentiment is crucial for trading. Part 5, Risk and Reward. Now, my future stock traders, this is vital. Trading isn't a walk in the park. It comes with risks. The bigger the potential reward, the higher the risk. But don't worry. We'll equip you with risk management strategies to minimize those nail-biting moments. Part 6, Technical and Fundamental Analysis. Let's get nerdy with analysis. Two major methods are used to predict stock movements, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying past price trends, while fundamental analysis dives into a company's financial health. It's like detective work for traders. Part 7, Strategies for Beginners. Ready to dive into some trading strategies? We've got you covered. From buy and hold to dollar cost averaging, we'll explore some beginner-friendly approaches that can help you build your portfolio. Part 8, The Emotions of Trading. Trading is a roller coaster ride. You'll experience highs and lows, but don't let emotions rule your decisions. Fear and greed can be your worst enemies. Stay disciplined and remember the plan. Part 9, Practice Makes Perfect. Time to put your knowledge to the test. Before going all in, start with a virtual account or paper trading. It's like playing Monopoly with real market data. You'll learn without risking your hard-earned money. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this crash course. Remember, stock trading is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun while trading responsibly. The stock market is full of opportunities, and you're now equipped to grab them. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring traders. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss any of our future adventures in the world of finance. Until next time, happy trading!